my colleagues, panelists. I must commend Mr. Oyedele for his wonderful presentation, but there are still gaps. The gaps are things that I would like this committee to look at. One of the major gaps is on the issue of companies that are evading tax. Because we're talking about improving tax collection and making it to have human face. But what about companies who are evading tax? And the best way, and one of the easiest ways for companies to evade tax is companies that are not listed on the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Today in Nigeria, with our robust economy, over 3 million companies are registered by Corporate Affairs Commission, but it will be shocking that only about 166 companies are listed on Nigerian Exchange. That is appalling. Why is it that major companies who are playing major roles are not listed? Because they don't want to pay taxes. They don't want their companies to be opened up. That is, at this point, we must commend companies like Dangote Group, Bua Group, that have gone to the capital market. And the good thing now is that the Honourable Minister of Finance and the Coordinating Minister of Economy himself is a chartered stockbroker. And he knows exactly what I'm talking about. That we have companies in Nigeria that are doing business with government, companies that are doing business with both the private sector and the public sector, but don't want to be listed in Nigerian state. I won't go to continue like this. The answer is no. So I want us to look at it because that is one sure way of evading tax. When a company is listed, everything about that company is known. Today there are some foreign investors in our country, like DSTV. Why is DSTV not listed? Why is Motor not listed? Why everyone is listed? Everyone is listed. Why is Glo not listed? And why are we not asking questions? But I'm happy the minister is there. These are some of the bodies that he has to look into. Now, when we are still talking about tax, we are still not making significant progress. The proposed budget of 2024 is estimated, according to the executive, to be about 28 trillion, out of which 8 trillion is still talking about debt service. We are still going to service that budget with about 8 trillion debt. So something is still fundamentally wrong. But let us look at also what has been said here about for the 3 companies, for 3 items that CBN have now listed that they can now get forest. Then if the Senate President mentioned it, if nothing happens, companies that you can now import, have forest that import toothpick, they are able to protect local manufacturers. How do you protect them? Because I believe that some of those items that were just listed to get forest is not the major problem of our economy at this point in time. The civic colleagues, let us also even look at tax to GDP. Tax to GDP of our country today is 8%. 8%, which is the lowest in the world. Mr. Oyedele said that looking at Africa target of about 18%. No, I think we should do more than that. We should even have a time frame of 2025, 2027 to see if our tax to GDP can get up to 20% or even 25%. That is the only way you can even equal the analogy you gave about South Africa, that the total revenue from tax is about 78 trillion of our naira as against 15 trillion Nigeria is generating. So I believe that these are some of the areas, and as legislators, what concerns us most is to amend some of the acts. The 2017 National Tax Policy has to change. It has to change. And their committee must look into it. And how do you change it if you don't amend the CITA, the PITA, and even the CGTA? So these are the reforms that we think should be brought to the National Assembly for us to have an input. So that whatever thing that you have done so far, I'm happy with the mileage that you have achieved so far, and I believe that if given a little more, like 1 more year, I've got it. Thank you.
Thank you, distinguished so even though I know your own fear is that at the end of the day, somebody will not stay somewhere and call the tax officer and say, leave the premises. What are you doing there? Leave that place there. So because the man has connections, and the people that went to collect revenue are disturbing the man's sleep. So I think those are some of the things we look at. So Senator Wanda, maybe just 1 minute comment so that